Welcome back to the Discovery Museum's DIY Science Lab. Are you really going to wear that?
The hat? I made it just for this video.
Take it off.
But it's...
No.
Yes. I may have come prepared.
I'm Sarah.
And I'm Michelle. And this is a marble.
You were supposed to say, and today we're going to talk about buoyancy.
I'm getting to that. This is a marble.
You just said
This is a marble. A marble weighs about 0.16 ounces. That's not a lot, and about 100 of these together would weigh about 1 pound. But watch what happens when I add it to the surface of the water. Why does something so light sink right away? Now this is the Queen Mary, a famous and really, really big ship.
I've heard of the Queen Mary. That ship was used as a cruise liner for royalty, and it also became a troop ship during World War II. It could hold nearly 2,000 passengers.
Right? It's also haunted.
No, it is not.
Fine. Anyway, the Queen Mary weighs 81,960 tons. 1 ton weighs 2,000 pounds. Do you have any idea how many marbles that is, Sarah? It's a lot. It's a lot of marbles. Anyway, here's what happened when the Queen Mary was on the surface of the water.
It floats.
Yeah, but how can something so heavy float?
The answer is its buoyancy. When an object enters the water, 2 forces act upon it. One is gravity, which is a downward force whose strength is determined by the object's mass, which is the amount of matter an object has. The other is buoyancy, which is an upward force that is determined by the amount of water displaced, meaning moved out of its usual position, by an object.
An object will only float if the force of gravity downward is less than the force of buoyancy upward. The Queen Mary is very large, but it displaces an even larger amount of water. The marble is light, and while it only displaces a small amount of water, it still weighs more than the water it displaces, therefore it sinks.
The marine engineers that designed the Queen Mary needed to understand this concept in order to keep such a massive object afloat in open water. Here's a cool engineering experiment you can try by yourself, with parental permission, or with a partner. You'll need
paper for you and your partner to sketch your ideas, at least 2 pieces of aluminum foil that are each about 6 inches long. Each piece will become a boat. Marbles or pennies, these are your cargo, and a container full of water. This acts as your harbor.
Given what you now know about buoyancy, work with your partner to design boats that will float on the water in the harbor. Fold the foil to create the designs and test them in the harbor to make sure they float. Gradually add cargo to your boats and see which design will hold the most marbles or pennies. What do you notice about the winning design? Our record is 40 marbles. Can you top that?
No, they can't.
You can do this experiment with us on Monday, February 20th in celebration of Engineering Day, Discovery.
Among a bunch of other really cool stuff, including a live science demonstration, straw towers, planetarium shows, building your own take-home catapults, and ice cream bowling, while supplies last.
What is ice cream bowling?
It's great! It's when you make ice cream by bowling with a bowling ball, and then you eat it. The ice cream, not the bowling ball.
I'm so confused.
Don't eat bowling balls. Do, however, come to the Discovery Museum for Engineering Day this Monday, February 20th, from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Let us know about your own cool science experiments.
Bye!